everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is amorenikG. amorenikG what? amorenikG on a budget. Thank you guys for sharing my last video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for showing me so much love, and thank you for giving your opinion. I really do appreciate. So on today's episode, I'm going to be doing something very different, and that's going to be a hair tutorial. That's why my hair is a mess. So I'm going to show you guys how I slay on a budget, you know, by not going to the salon and doing my hair myself. So I'm going to be using the Senegal twist coily. It's also known as the Freetress braid. I hope I pronounced it well. Can you see? Freetress braid. And I'm going to be using a 99J, color 2 and color 530. I'm going to be mixing the colors, and I'm going to show you guys how I crochet my hair myself and how I slay and look flick with just guess $28. So this crochet braid is 2 for 10. Can you see, guys? It's 2 for 10, and I got 5, so everything else together is about $26 plus tax. That's $28. Just hold on and watch me crochet this hair myself using a take home, a crochet pin, a wide tooth comb, and I always have a lot of scrunchie with me to hold my hair in place. Section my hair into 2 equal halves. Can you guys see? Might not look the best, but that's because I did it myself. Then I section the top area of my hair. This section will also be used for my single braids. I do the single braids on top of my hair and also all around my head. This is just to give it the illusion like I actually braided my hair. Can you guys see the single braid? It's so easy to make. Then I section the side of my hair. This is where I'm going to be doing my single braids. Then I start making my single braids. You really don't need to braid it all to the tip because you're going to be tucking it in. So this section that I made is section for a cornrow. This cornrow will tuck the single braids in. Can you guys see the way I'm tucking them in, one after the other? This is just to make my hair look neat and make it look like I actually braided my hair when I pack my hair up or pack it into different styles. When you make the single braids, it gives it a very nice neat look, and you can pack it into different styles. And tuck the rest of the single braid behind my head into the regular cornrow that I made. After which I take my crochet braid and tuck it to the roots of the single braid I made. It's quite easy. And I do that to all the single braids all around my head. After that is done, I start filling it in. I really don't care about the back though, but I make sure to fill it in to the point that you really can't see the cornrow. Then I start filling it up to the middle part of my hair. I just do the same thing. Then I start filling the crochet braids to the middle part that I did. And there you go. Don't I look flawless? I look oh, wow. Can you guys see? This is so lovely. The wine color is so much life. Can you guys see the back? Yeah, I feel like the wine color gave me some nice African retro look. So guys, this is what I was able to achieve. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and give your comment and opinion down below. I really do appreciate. And thank you for watching amorenikG on a budget. Bye.